क्या दिखा रहा है बाबा? तेरी फॉल्टी वायरिंग क्यों दिखा रहा है?
It can't be good what he's showing us. Oh God.
Oh my.
अरे तेरे को मेरे मम्मी के चश्मे कैसे मिले?
एक एक मिनट, ये क्या है? ये ये तूने सोच के किया ना पूरा कि तो ऐसा बैठेगा? कैमरा मूव कौन कर रहा है तेरा?
iPad.
Thakur, I can't believe you didn't say that Bawa has entered wearing the cold open.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's actually that's what he's come. That's his contribution to today's episode. सुन, मैं कोल्ड ओपन लेके आता हूँ. अरे क्या कर रहा है? नहीं, मैं चश्मा पहन लूंगा और फिर आ जाऊंगा.
चश्मा.
और मेरे सिम तो पागल हो जाएंगे. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो एक गाइस उसका चश्मा पहनते हुए. But by the way, I was wearing those sunglasses because he can't handle the glaring success of the taste store. It's hurting his eyes. Speaking of, thank you guys once again.
Can I just say, it is so successful that now I don't have a job.
Yeah, this is true. Bawa has actually officially quit because he's like, now I only do auditorium shows.
Yeah.
So guys, please make sure you buy tickets to all our other shows also because Bawa has to himself.
Yeah. But yeah, Bawa has one mouth to feed.
One mouth to feed.
Yeah.
A really big mouth which goes to fancy restaurants. So please guys buy more than one ticket.
Please
also
sponsor
maybe-
Baba's Noma trip.
Yeah, if you want Bawa to eat at more Michelin star restaurants, please buy tickets. No, but speaking of tickets, thank you once again. Just your weekly reminder that the tickets are almost gone. There's only about 10% tickets left in Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad. First show sold out, so we're adding another show. The Bombay show tomorrow is sold out. So thank you once again to each and every one of you for buying tickets. मतलब ऐसे जब हम लोग रिफ्रेश खेलते रहते हैं ऐसे दिन भर कि अरे आज कितना गया, आज कितना गया, आज कितना गया, वैसे जब जाते हैं 50 ticket. So we haven't felt this in a while. So thank you all of y'all. And one more thing. हाँ, नहीं बोल दे कौतुक, तू thank you.
No, I was just going to say that, guys, overwhelming response to Google Docs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Bill Gates
Google is
had to
surprised.
call us and say, guys, क्या हो गया ये? How is this happening?
Why is Bill
Please use Microsoft. Please use Microsoft for this.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. हम लोग बिल गेट्स को फोन कर रहा है. बिल गेट देख रहा है कि अरे
बस
भाई
सुंदर पिचाई. I don't know who's after. Is सुंदर पिचाई out of the job? निकाल दिया उसको कि he's still there?
नहीं नहीं
No,
वो
Adar, I am out of a job, not Sundar
Oh.
Pichai.
वो उसको मिल जाएगा जॉब. तेरे से फास्ट मिलेगा उसको.
हाँ सुंदर
I feel.
मेरे को नौकरी मिल गया है, टेंशन नहीं.
But how does it feel, Bawa, in this period where
कौन से बार में काम कर रहा है तू अभी?
Yeah.
Bro, literally, I don't know. I filled my days up, but so I'm okay. But yeah.
I can't imagine a static बाबा कि ऐसे बाबा सुबह को उठा है और उसको कहीं नहीं जाना है, उसको कोई फोन नहीं कर रहा है. आई थिंक that's like solitary confinement वाले में जो लोग हो जाते हैं ना उन लोग को कुछ वैसे बाबा को for lack of work.
Withdrawal
If Baba
symptoms.
was not on stage with us at any. This is how Baba goes on a phone call. This was him with the iPhone का जो mic होता है ना, inside his mouth.
Yeah.
That's how you start phone conversations.
Hold it like this. ऐसे हो
Bullshit.
गया,
He's
ऐसे
a
मत
bite
करो.
onto it. पता नहीं क्या चल रहा था तेरा.
Okay, chalo. Let's start the episode. Could have been on a better note, but
No, but I'll give you a better note. The problem is there might not be a cold open when Varun says let's start the episode.
Why?
Because I don't have a laptop.
Baba, what do you think? We can't find an editor? We will, and this will be a better cut episode. ये देख, तू अभी स्टाइल मत मार तेरे कैमरा के साथ. चल एपिसोड
मैं
चालू.
कुछ किया ही नहीं है, ये अपने आप ही
3,
चल रहा है.
2, 1, go. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random interesting videos, the facts that Shubhan up with the stories, and we talk about it. And guys, मैं जब से सुबह को उठा हूँ ना, I have been going mad laughing at this one video that was sent to me. Okay, where it's a video of a theme park in Pakistan, which is about dinosaurs. And I can't.
Punjab and Nach,
But it is Nach Punjab and Nach Punjab and Nach Punjab and Nach.
And it's just the absolute the way people are just they're there, but they're not enjoying it in any way. It's just
तो सब लोग हंस रहे हैं और अभी देख अभी आएगा एंड में वापस अरे टीरेक्स
Yeah.
ब्रैकियोसॉरस सब नाच पंजाबन पे नाच रहे.
First of all, I just want to say I have finished all of the internet today, so I have seen this video. But
Hmm.
the fact that the person has come from abroad, the person who's taken the video and put it up because of the caption, clearly has come is not local Pakistani. He's obviously firstborn or secondborn, like whatever. He's come from whatever country. So
Why?
he's come. We just read the caption. It says came home for whatever, and in Pakistan we have. So it's basically written by somebody who is and it's
Could
just
have
it just
traveled from a different state, yeah.
no
Yeah, he came to Lahore. He was in Karachi. Back home and he's shooting. तू क्यों assume कर रहा है कि ये UK में है?
नहीं, ये कोई
ये
NRP
confirm
है.
बाहरी है.
नहीं, ये कोई
क्या
NRP
assume
है.
कर रहा है?
because he's yes NRP hai yes Adar I understood NRP hai NRP hai क्योंकि just the way in which he has captured it disdainfully in the words
Yeah, because
it
you
feels
don't
like
cut
he's
to
not
the audience.
proud of it.
Yeah, he's cutting to the audience.
No,
It's a
because the audience is
wonderful
laughing.
moment.
He's cut to some audience who are all laughing because 1 second, no sane person is going to look at a T-Rex, a Brachiosaurus, dance to Nach Punjaban and not immediately die laughing.
I'm sorry, but the T-Rex is dancing to Nach Punjaban. It is not just this person dancing.
और 4 T-Rex नाच रहे हैं.
This
Weirdly,
is
the Brachiosaurus and T-Rex were separated by hundreds of, if not more, years of evolution. by
is
the
that what
They
you
would
thought
never
was
dance
being
together.
mischaracterized in this video?
Yeah, they would never dance together.
You know something? This is what if Spielberg made Jurassic Park in Bollywood?
Yeah. What if Dharma produced Jurassic Park? धर्मा का गाना-
लचोड़िया and the T-Rex ऐसे नाच रहा भी.
Guys.
Guys.
Guys, okay, by the way, whoever is listening to us on audio platforms, please find this video. It's Pakistani theme park, dinosaurs, Nach Punjaban. Those are the keywords. Search, watch it. And we should all send the video to Spielberg. And we're like, "Sir, ये देखो क्या हो रहा है."
But also, listen, can I tell you one thing? At a dino world, okay, if I went to a dino world, I would retain information about dinosaurs so much more if they were dancing to Nach Punjaban. I swear to God. Unforgettable. Never to be lost.
Dude,
Because it's so dry otherwise.
Do you remember that Bombay में some 20 odd years ago there was a dino park
Yes.
that
Was there?
come out? It was
Was there? I don't know.
Yeah,
Either-
dude, I remember it very, very clearly. It was, I don't know if it was called Dino Park, but अंदर basically तेरे को अलग-अलग टाइप के डायनासोर थे, थोड़े मूव हो रहे, फिर तेरे को डायनासोर्स के हिस्ट्री के बारे में उन लोग अपन कैपिटलाइज करे जुरासिक पार्क को 15 साल बाद.
Yeah.
तो मैं गया था एक बार नहीं, मैं 3 बार गया था उधर. कभी भी कोई हिंदी गाना नहीं बजा उधर, but obviously and we are also young, right? You're what 12, 13, I think I was at that point. So it was
Wow.
still exciting to see it.
Varun, I'm sorry, was this a nightmare that you saw last night where there were JCBs on Andheri? On the Andheri
By the way,
flyover going like
There is a
this?
video. If you can find
The
it,
cranes.
there is a video of a man at night in front of 7 JCBs doing the Nagin dance while the JCBs are doing this. और वो उनके सामने बीन बजा रहा है और JCB सब. This is why our construction and BMC work is delayed because ये लोग रील बना रहे हैं BMC के JCB के साथ.
Bro, एक theme park है US में where you can actually go and ride a tractor like that. मतलब an excavator actually, not even a tractor. Excavator is an even bigger machine. So they have like 5, 6 on property, and just like you would pay to go on a ride, you can go on this fucking excavator and start doing shit. There's
But-
genuine fascination. ये सिर्फ
Thakur-
India में भी नहीं है, दुनिया भर में fascination है.
This is
Thakur,
great.
this is so true. But like the minute there is any kind of construction vehicle,
Yeah,
right, immediately that area becomes an amusement park.
yeah.
Where
straight.
just 40 guys just show up and they're like, "Mast यार आज दिन का entertainment sort हो गया."
But
तू
bro,
खुद
that's the thing about watching it, bro. सच बोलो तो मैं भी ऐसे तूने मेगा स्ट्रक्चर्स करके सीरीज आता था, आई थिंक डिस्कवरी या नेट जियो किसके ऊपर. Just the process of seeing it get made and all also is a lot
In
of
time lapse.
Huh?
Hmm.
In time lapse, sometimes they show you right how these big fucking machines work is really entertaining to watch.
Yeah. In fact, you've seen the Bombay Airport construction. Was it the Bombay Airport? Yeah, the Bombay Airport construction on mega structure. It's very nice. Sorry, the new Bangalore Airport, the BLR Airport, the new terminal, which is very nice. उसका एक mega structures है इस पे. But let's go back to theme parks because I lived a lot of my childhood
In a theme park.
bang
You had a
opposite Fantasyland.
Fantasyland.
Andheri East, Chakala.
Yes. So I lived a lot of my life in opposite Fantasyland.
So
Which
imagine
is
the one place that is a choco block for traffic. They managed to find space for an amusement park there.
because other
Actually-
no, I'll explain to you. No, I'll tell you this. I've seen it evolve. There was literally nothing there. Okay, there is
हाँ.
literally वो JVLR तो बना ही नहीं था ही नहीं, conceptually
नहीं था.
ही नहीं था.
Hmm.
ठीक है, you had to come in from whatever that Kherwadi signal and all that and go, or you had to take that Takshila signal and all. Now the problem with this is that जब ये वो बनाया तब भी fantasy, there were two things that were a better selling point than SL World for Fantasyland. Number one, वो वसई के पार नहीं है, was the first one, and the second one was 360. They had a roller coaster with
Which was
Bombay's first
perfectly round.
360.
Yeah.
They had a 360 roller coaster because Andheri at that point also was far only because you still had to pay a
No,
lot
and
of
it's
money.
also called Fantasyland because only in fantasies did Mumbaikars believe that इतना जगह आया कहाँ से इधर?
Yeah.
इतने fantasy में देखा.
No, but Thakur, the earlier that area used to just be RA forest. That whole area was RA forest, right? So can you imagine the first few, like the leopards watching the first few rides that pop up? क्या
Yeah.
चल रहा है भाई लोग?
Dude, imagine you're on the roller coaster and a leopard jumps onto you, and you're assuming that this is part of the ride.
बहुत realistic है यार.
Yeah, और क्या बात है?
Sorry,
अरे देख, सूरज को काटा. अरे क्या
Help me!
निकल रहा है?
help me!
And on that, and in that water slide, there's a real alligator waiting with his mouth open that you have to slide into.
And it's not going Nach Punjab, but Nach Punjab.
Yeah. It's going to खा पंजाब and खा पंजाब and खा पंजाब. But bro, ऐसे बहुत सारे होते हैं मन में. इंडिया के बाहर जैसे मैं यूके में एक थॉप पार्क करके एक जगह है, ठीक है, इट्स साउथ वेस्ट. वहां पर गया. रिमेम्बर दिस व्हेन आई वाज एट यूनी. So they had a Saw का theme ride because a lot of the movie promotions in like theme parks across the world happen where एक कोई पिक्चर लिया, वो पिक्चर के कैरेक्टर या उसका म्यूजिक या कुछ लेके तुम्हें एक रोलर कोस्टर बना दिया. तो ऐसे एक 100 का था कि रैंडमली वो चूते तेरे सामने आ जाता है. एक तो तेरी वैसे भी फट रही क्योंकि उल्टा हूं मैं, ठीक है, रोलर कोस्टर पे उल्टा है, सीधा तो सामने 100 आ रहा है. They'll make it like 4D कि तेरे ऊपर ऐसा खून टाइप आएगा, बट वो है पानी. People screaming, they used to do that.
But तेरे सामने 100 क्या आता है?
अबे 100 का अबे ऐसे उठ के आ जाता है ना 100, वो जो मास्क पहन के किलर जो है ना चूतिए.
ओह, मेरे को
100
लगा
है.
100 लोग आता है ऐसा 100 people type.
She.
Oh my God.
मैं टीकू जीनेवाड़ी पे नहीं था चूतिए. किस
But I
नहीं,
went-
कोई नहीं,
कोई नहीं कर रहा.
कोई भी नहीं बाबा. तू जिसको भी हाई कर रहा है ना कि ये गुड वन, इट वाजंट.
By the way, I went to Imagica. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I had a
You can say
very
it without
good time.
yeah.
Exactly. It's
बट
it's
थीम पार्क का
the-
वही तो है ना, यू नीड अ वेरी कैची जिंगल. एसएल वर्ल्ड
SL
मैं
World.
रहूंगा,
You
मैं
last
घर
man to
नहीं
SL
जाऊंगा
World.
मैं.
स्कूल को भूला, मैं टीचर को भूला कितना बड़ा है. देखो
देखो
चिल्ला चिल्ला के दम मेरा
के
भूला.
दम मेरा भूला.
It's the breath.
मैं
They kept the breath.
जाऊंगा मैं. Dude, I last went to SL World 22 years ago. 23 years ago. Still remember. Imagica कभी नहीं गया हूँ अभी तक, लेकिन वो
मैं कभी नहीं
गया. By the way, Imagica मान लो रोलर कोस्टर गिर गया था या कुछ तो.
That's why
One
a while
like,
back.
we just stopped. Yeah, there was no plan. Immediately, all plans were cancelled.
But you know, fun fact, guess what? One thing about roller coasters, that it is always cheaper to refurbish. And this is the practice followed by most amusement parks. ये fact मिला है मेरे को, ठीक है? bestofonline.com/shocking amusement park facts पे.
best of online.
ये बोला गया है कि पब्लिक रोलर कोस्टर एक बार हो गया ना, उसको फिर वापस रिफर्बिश करके डाल रहे. सो what you might think is, oh, this is a new roller coaster, fresh paint, very nice, smooth. It's probably the second iteration of it. One of the oldest ones is in Mexico, which is on its 10th iteration.
Oh my God.
So
But is there a
whoever is
reason?
taking that roller coaster, I suggest you don't.
I
But is there a
suspect,
reason why this happens?
I suspect the reason
रास्ता
is
ना,
that
it's the same reason why तेरे रास्ते देखना बॉम्बे के कैसे.
no, and also the vendors for that particular goods is very small. Like तू किधर जाएगा मेरी कौन सा स्टील वर्क्स प्लांट में guys.
Dude,
No, and
after the
also
eighth
this
time,
explains
they will feel right कि ये थोड़ा पुराना लग रहा है. नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल नया है. एक मिनट, सीट बेल्ट मेरे हाथ में आ गया. नहीं नहीं, वो नया वाला है. आप ये वाला सीट बेल्ट ये भी हाथ में आ गया. ठीक है.
No, sorry, Kautuk, you were saying some Imagica story.
Yeah, no.
Uh,
My Magica story was literally this, that what Thakur was saying, right? Like I have this thing where I want to feel thrilled, but the minute I sit in the ride, my brain does not feel safe at all. Right? I just start having like, I feel like the news item that ride breaks down at park will
Yeah.
happen exactly on my ride
Yeah.
for some reason. That I will be the guy
Has
whose
it?
ride will be.
Has it happened?
No, thankfully.
Ah.
Not at all. But
no,
but
he's
that's the
reduced his odds by taking fewer rides only.
yeah. One
But-
time only. And so
But
the
there
thing
was-
was, Thakur, they have a thing called the hammer or something like that. It's called.
Oh yeah.
Is this thing that starts like it sort
Dragon,
of like a
dragon.
pendulum?
Dragon it's called.
No. The hammer is more like this. It's
Hammer goes like this.
Bro, it so basically it starts swinging and then it goes
Yeah.
all the way up, right?
Yeah.
And the thing is, when you go all the way up, you get to see this panoramic view of Kharghar.
Yeah.
And it's very beautiful. And then on the way down, you get a very amazing, intense view of the ground rushing up at you.
Yeah.
And you always feel like किसी engineer ने थोड़ा भी गलती किया ना तो मेरे पैर रखड़
And-
जाएंगे इस पे.
And if you are as unfortunate as I was to be on that, there was that Hasselblad, there was this ride called the Big Drop or some shit like that, okay, which
yeah.
it takes you up like that, ठीक है, और फुक करके तू
Oh
नीचे
my god, yeah.
So the freak is of the part where you get scared is obviously that instant drop, right? Never get on those after you've just eaten food. Is amusement park taking
Basic
any ride
knowledge.
101? ठीक है, मेरे को 4 लोग छोड़ के एक आंटी थी, आई रिमेम्बर,
Oh no.
चढ़ी और आंटी ने दबा के खाया है खाना. एंड शी इज लाइक मुझे नहीं जाना है, लेकिन फैमिली ने बोला नहीं नहीं चलो चलो मजा आएगा. शी हैज गॉन अप द एंटायर टाइम. शी इज लाइक प्लीज मुझे उतारो, बट नाउ वी आर ऑलरेडी गॉन. अभी तो स्टॉप द ट्रेन, पुल द चेन नहीं है अभी.
That auntie is
आंटी
me.
हैड टू गो थ्रू इट. ब्रो जैसे नीचे आए, प्रोजेक्टाइल, but that projectile has gone from here, but she is still going down. Then it's like a wave.
Oh, physics.
It's
a great lesson.
It's a
Hrithik Roshan vomit.
ऋतिक रोशन मोमेंट है ब्रो, ऐसे करके और सब उधर भाग रहे.
Bro, I just want to go back to two things. Number one, the fact that you're saying maybe the reason why they recycle all these roller coasters is because they're like ये अब तक टूटा नहीं है तो लकी है, हम लोग नया वाला डालेगा तो टूटेगा तो प्रॉब्लम है. So I think
Good.
they just want superstition. You put a new coat of paint to do it. But this also explains why I was doing some research on Yas Island and things like that for thing. Because there's Ferrari World and Lego World and there's some 7 worlds, okay, at Yas Island. And the
Wait,
every
Baba,
single one of those,
where is this extremely
Up-
encouraging island?
it's YASS, by the way. It's YAASS or something like that. It's in Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So as we go into this football player called Abu Dhabi, the point about this is all of these amusement parks have pretty much the same ride packaged with the packaging of what they are. So in the Ferrari world, it's a roller coaster. That's the fastest roller coaster in the world, but it's a
Yeah.
roller coaster.
It
Okay,
better
with
be.
maybe 2 extra with 2 extra turns here or there. The Legoland also has a roller coaster, but it's a roller coaster that looks like a Lego block. the Disney World thing is a roller coaster, but it's a roller coaster with a different packaging. So it's basically
more
the
scared.
same thing, but in different fucking forms.
I'm
It's
very
so
scared
weird.
of the Lego wala roller coaster. Is it
It's not-
made of okay? Because otherwise it's a safety concern.
तुम लोग
Yes.
फरारी वर्ल्ड गए हो कोई?
हाँ.
नहीं उधर ही
उसका
तो मैं
एक है, which is the fastest one. It's in the shape of the Ferrari
the
car.
Ferrari, yeah.
Inside, and it goes like उसका कुछ एक अजीबोगरीब speed था, dude. It was so it's like
320 or something per hour.
special hydraulic system so that the ejection and when you're on it is nuts. Is nuts. Tell me, what sort of an amusement park goer were you when you
Can
first
I
went?
please
You
answer
the-
this?
Okay,
मैं
I have.
पटेल मैं सब राइड करेगा कि मैं फटू मैं नहीं करेगा.
मैं
Please, can I
सब
answer
करता
this?
था. मैं सब करता था. But recently, first of all, when I was young, we used to go to this one place. School trip होता था to this place, and I don't know how this park was successful with this name because it's
सूरज
nothing-
वाटर पार्क.
नहीं, टीकू
टीकू।
जीनी वाड़ी.
कुछ नहीं वाड़ी सिंधी लोग का है भाई मैं बहुत गया उधर.
It's just to
जीनी
think,
वाड़ी.
you're thinking SL World, Fantasyland, things that pop out, and Tiku Jini Wadi doesn't roll off the tongue for children.
But it's so memorable as a name. I've never forgotten
Can I
it.
can I
You
tell
never
you
forgot.
something?
वहां
I've
पे
never
गो कार्टिंग
been to
होता था.
Tikku Jiniwadi, dude. I've never been to it.
उसमें
Oh,
50 रुपए में गो कार्टिंग मिलता था.
हाँ.
50 rupees one
हाँ,
round
अभी
go
भी?
karting. अभी पता नहीं. But like this was way
Bro,
cheaper than Hira Nandani. So it's like okay, 50 rupees you get to ride a go kart.
Bro.
And of course, school के बच्चे हैं तो we are banging the go karts.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah. So then
Bumping
if you
cars
go
or
around-
go karts?
bumping cars.
Which was it?
No,
He's saying they were
go-karts.
go-karts, but they were
You're
driving them
bumping
like
Oh,
bumping
go-karts.
cars.
Driving like bumping cars.
So after 4 rounds, all of us were like, "नहीं, अभी तू नहीं, तू निकल." So it's just every time we'd get banned.
No, for me, the kind of goer, amusement park goer are you, and I still think it's that, is that I could do the roller coaster, but anything which had this circular motion or this swinging, like वो Fantasyland में वो dragon था ना जो तू बोल रहा है ठाकुर, boat वाला जो dragon था,
Yeah.
वो मैं नहीं जा सकता है. फिर वो कप्स होता था ना जो centrifugal and centripetal force साथ में जो generate करता है, which
हाँ.
turn like this and like this at the same time.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Basically, if you want to feel like what it is to enter the Earth's atmosphere in a Soyuz shuttle, that's how.
If you want to feel what is it to be Earth itself,
Yeah.
because you are going this way and this way. So I couldn't do any of these, what I would call vomit-centric rides, right? Anything that possibly create. But I was okay for anything else. I was okay for like water slides and roller coaster. जितना भी खतरनाक हो मेरे को stress नहीं है. बस चक्कर नहीं आना चाहिए. Because I'm like severely like vomit friendly.
You're vomit friendly.
Yeah, because मेरा तो जैसे ही ऐसा एक ये होता है.
देखो,
अरे
motion
मेरे को
sickness
गाड़ी
है
में
क्या?
मेरे को गाड़ी में सी सिकनेस है. मैं डाइविंग जाता है ना तो on the when I do between dive 1 and dive 2.
Oh, on the boat.
देखो गाड़ी में सी सिकनेस होता है और देखो सी में रोड रेज होता है.
रोड रेज रोड
बाजू से निकाल, बाजू से निकाल.
सर वो शार्क है आप क्या कर रहे हो नेविल सर?
ऊपर चले, ऊपर से.
I don't do it on the boat, Kautuk. I am on a float connected to the boat on a line outside.
And they're
So I'm
just
on the sea.
dragging you.
Yeah.
No, we're just there. Once we get to when we get to dive site 2, I'm just on a fucking life thing chilling like this. I can't do it on the boat, bro. I can't do it.
जो तो तूने कभी वो वाला नहीं किया? You know, there used to be a lot of these amusement parks. At least SL World had one, which was your it was like a virtual reality type ride. So there was one called Crazy Shuttle. Okay, so you sit inside, पूरा पहना हुआ है और तेरे सामने बड़ा स्क्रीन है और स्क्रीन पे you are on a roller coaster which is like in between mountains, for example, really hardcore ones, and your seat and everything is moving according to how the roller coaster is going, but you're not actually on it. You know what I mean? But once you get out of it, you actually feel like you've gone through the entire thing. You remember this one? This used to be the most crazy one to be on. So you get
Hydraulic ones.
also
Yeah.
being on a roller coaster without the fear of fucking falling and dying. तो मैं ये वाले राइड के ऊपर रिसर्च कर रहा था. I found in China there is a similar ride where you can get to witness your own cremation,
Oh,
what it feels like. But गर्म तेरे को तू जलेगा नहीं actually, लेकिन तेरे सामने कैसे what would your point of view be like if you were alive while being cremated? I'm like, who in what meeting has been like, sir, I think public पक रहा है roller coaster से, अभी कुछ नया चाहिए.
उनको ही
रोलर कोस्टर
पकाते हैं,
अगर खराब हो तो
उनको ही
रोलर
पकाते हैं,
कोस्टर
गरम कर दो उनको, जला दो. अरे अजीब है. नहीं
जो
सर,
liability
लेकिन वो आदमी तो सिर्फ सर्विस इंटरवल ले रहा है सर. वॉमिट कर रहा था थोड़ा बहुत, नहीं जला दो उसको, खत्म करो. अरे
नो
अजीब
सो
देखो गर्मी नहीं होएगा, देखो गर्मी नहीं होगा.
you know what I started doing now since I moved here. If here you got to pay for each ride, and each ride is 10 pounds. मतलब 1,000 रुपया हर once you enter Winter Wonderland or something, you know, every ride is about 8 to 10 pounds. So what I do is I enter and I go on the worst one first, and after that everything seems lackluster. So there's like, हाँ इस पे चढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है.
But to be fair, Winter Wonderland में bro, none of the rides are fun. Like it's fun if you are like 4 years old.
No. There's one that is
मैं भी गया last time.
the one that goes like really high and upside down, and then you're really high up, and you see.
I would not do that.
But you know, we are at least talking about like electronically operated ones, right?
Yeah.
So for people who don't live in Maharashtra or Bombay, there's a place close to Mumbai called Matheran. Okay, we've all been there, and there is
Cable car.
one unique thing about Matheran. नहीं cable car हो सब तो है, but they had literally one ground. ठीक है, एक साइड पे तो तेरा स्लाइड वाइड नॉर्मल बच्चा लोग
और एक वो giant wheel.
ये सब है, और दूसरे साइड पे एक जायंट व्हील है, which was not really giant, it was still about 20-30 feet high, 40 feet, whatever. हाँ,
Tall
ऐसे
wheel.
दो वन व्हील दो माले के हाइट तक या 3 माले के हाइट तक है. ठीक है,
But yeah.
the clincher was that this wasn't electronically operated.
It was manually
This
pulled.
was dudes hanging. So अभी अगर तेरा ऐसे circular है, right? तेरे spokes है ना, so it's dudes hanging on each of the spokes, and them hanging, pulling, jumping is what created the fucking motion.
The ride wasn't as
And he
impressive.
voluntarily paid money and said, "चल, जाके बैठते हैं." तो तू जो कार में बैठा है, they would sometimes pull that, so suddenly तू ऐसा हो रहा है, and then you're like, why are we doing this? But हर साल मेरा पूरा बचपन फैमिली ट्रिप माथेरान में होता था हम लोग का एक, हम लोग हमेशा, और वो होने के बाद नीचे आके एक वड़ा पाव, उधर एक मस्त वड़ा पाव वाला. तो इफ यू एवर कम टू माथेरान, दे स्टिल माइट बी ऑन, बट अभी थोड़ा उन लोग देखते हैं.
Nothing can be more entertaining than watching that. Half the time the entertainment is getting on and watching the guy try to cheat death.
Yeah, fuck
Yeah.
you doing, that guy is doing such a crazy job, man.
No, and the way they stop it also is quite intense. Like the way they slow it down and then eventually,
Yeah.
like it's tough.
Dude, that last guy literally drags himself along with it
Yeah.
on the ground.
Yeah, and like slides on the ground.
Yeah.
It was
It's like
something else.
He is the trademarks on the tire. Like he's literally doing that with his chappal. It's unreal.
No, ये
So,
अपन अभी कर
और-
रहे हैं. ओल्डेस्ट फेरिस व्हील मालूम है कहाँ है दुनिया का? गेस करो कौन से country?
Paris.
नहीं.
Mathेरान.
Ireland.
some
No.
Scandinavian country.
The right answer is Austria.
Oh,
How old is it?
It was called the Wiener Reisenrad. It was built in 1897 and is still operational today.
There also one guy is doing this one.
नहीं वहां पे
नहीं, ये
आर्नल्ड
बहुत बड़ा है. इसमें तेरे को 5 लोग नहीं, अभी तो उसका फोटो देखा, इसमें तेरे को एटलीस्ट 100 लोग चाहिए होंगे. बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत
Bro,
भारी वाला.
for one of my friends' 32nd birthday, okay,
Mhm.
she decided to host this birthday at a place in Bombay called Bounce. Okay, I
Yes.
don't know if you guys
I
have
know
heard
this.
of this.
fun, lot of fun.
So Bounce is a place where they just have trampolines and like other surfaces on which you can bounce. Okay,
Yeah.
that's the whole idea. So I don't know what the master stroke was, but like great idea. 32nd birthday at Bounce, right? So it's us, like it's about like 10 of us who've shown up for this party, right? And we're all 32 years old, and which means that we have bounced for about 6 minutes
6
total.
minutes.
Max.
Total. Total.
Correct.
All of us put together, right? And then one by one, everyone said, अरे मेरा बैक पे थोड़ा ऐसा कुछ, मेरे knees, तेरे को लग रहा है क्या थोड़ा knees पे कुछ impact force?
So this is what happened. My team went to bounce. Okay, to do it, and they're younger than 32, some of them. Okay, so they're in their latest 20s, right? And they've all gone there, and they think that they're obviously cool. And people like us, for no chance. I mean, I can do like one jump, and I'll be like, okay, I'm bouncing now.
I'm bouncing.
I'm
I'm a
bouncing. These guys have gone, and they're like, still complicated little jump, landing on bum, coming back up, and all of that. And then these kids come next to them. And literally those tiny kids, and they've
Yeah.
jumped, done somersaults, fallen down,
Yes.
gone
So
back. So one guy's landed on a split. All of this is
one
happening,
second.
and those guys are toddlers, like 7, 8 at best, at doing all of these.
Baba, can I tell you one thing? So on this day, okay, so at Bounce they have a photographer who comes and takes your photo. Okay, so similar to what Baba is saying, there were these kids and the actual people who work at Bounce, they just show off. Okay, so they will, for the photographer, they'll bounce on a trampoline and they'll do one star, this thing, like spread themselves out and stuff, right? And they're taking all these like somersault cool photos. So he's taken some photos of us. At the end of the thing, he finds us and he says, would you like to see your photos? And if you like any of them, you can pay for them and take them. So he's shown us 20, 30 photos. Every photo is us going just in
Some kind of
horrible poses,
different body parts and their pain.
terrible, awkward, unelegant,
Correct.
disgusting.
Because what baffles me is how, while you are jumping on a trampoline, can your right shoulder hurt?
Yeah.
There's no correlation, but it's there.
Bro,
The pain is
this
there.
what you did for your friend's 32nd birthday, I did for Omna's son's 3rd birthday.
Yeah.
हम लोग भी गए थे उधर because सब बच्चे लोग तो है, but we also went. And now these kids, like you guys saw, are doing hard. तू आर्ट की बात करे, 3 साल के बच्चे कर रहे हैं सब. ठीक है, फिर उधर एक वो वाला ना, where you can jump and usually people do flips and they land
Yeah.
and उधर एकदम soft है. Where you see people do it, you're like, अबे ये 10 साल का कर रहा है तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. Friend of mine is actually big. He's able to do it. I couldn't.
Yeah, I can't.
And I thought I was really good in my head. I'm like, fuck, मैं तो easily कर लेगा ये. Bro, I have never felt that useless in my life. Just seeing people around me being able to do it. I don't know, somehow मेरी फट रही है करने से, because I'm imagining कि उसको ऐसे करूंगा, मैं सर पे गिरूंगा, ये कुछ हो जाएगा.
Thakur, it's not that you couldn't, it's that you shouldn't.
Yeah.
There comes an age where beyond that, if you do it, your body says, एक second, ये तू misuse कर रहा है मेरे को.
Yeah, because you've not prepared it. You need to there's a way to get there. It
Yeah,
takes time. You can't just go, आज
You-
मैं gymnast.
आज मैं gymnast.
मैं somersault मार दूंगा.
Exactly.
this won't-
Exactly.
Suddenly body ने क्या बोला, क्या? Somersault. अबे जीते तू पागल है, somersault. नहीं मैं मारूंगा somersault.
I like that your body is somewhere down.
Because it's shrinking. It's shrunk.
Your body is on its knees. Your body is on its knees pleading with your brain.
वही तो हो रहा है ना, बॉडी की फट गई, भाई छोड़ दे. मैं तेरी क्यों फट रही? अरे मेरे को
but the
It's
thing
having a
is,
conversation with your brain.
This is what
And later his brain is checking with the lower back. भाई क्या हो गया?
सब ठीक है ना? हाँ.
Lower
बैक
back
कहीं
is-
और पड़ा हुआ है. बैक कहीं दूर है. अरे तू ठीक है ना? हाँ फर्स्ट क्लास.
it's
You know,
almost. अरे L7 किधर है तू? अरे L3 पहुंच गया भाई.
अरे यूटर्न मार.
The thing about most of these, the thing about this is that this is also why, for example, you can't bungee jump or skydive after a certain age for the first time, because if you do it, no. So when you try it, if you try to skydive after whatever, some 40 or something is what this 38 or something is what they say, your brain doesn't let you jump off the plane.
Yes.
Like, because your brain
Yes,
is like, तू चूतिया है क्या?
Which is why when you're going up, you have to tell the instructor, if I don't jump, push me.
अरे
Yeah,
all that, at that point,
No,
the
no,
brain-
no.
Jumpies.
Thakur, it's at that point you tell him कि if I don't jump, please refund.
वो तो नहीं होने वाला.
Please, sir.
I'm too much of a Sindhi to let go of 20,000 bucks. तुमने चल कहेंगे.
But
बंजी
Baba,
नहीं
this is
करूंगा. मेरे को
The
बंजी मना
oldest,
नहीं.
by the way, the oldest woman, the oldest person to skydive was recent, by the way.
Was?
last October called Dorothy Hoffner, 104 years old.
Yeah, but it was not Dorothy Hoffner's first sky jump. 'Cause
No,
that
no, no.
was-
It was her bucket list thing. She had never done it, and I think she died a few days later.
She died. Sweetheart.
No. After a few, it was like this was the final thing she wanted to do, and after that, she was like,
That
she,
would be
she
really
happily
tragic.
passed. She happily passed away.
That would be really tragic.
104. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
but your brain doesn't let you do things. It prevents you from, and this is fact.
It didn't
This is
stop
fact.
Yeah.
Dorothy.
But
No,
Bawa is right. Bawa is right because the 3-year-olds, right? They've lived only for 3 years.
They don't
So
understand
have
back pain.
enough. Yeah, so
Yeah.
their brain also doesn't know कि oh ये नहीं करना चाहिए, right? Brain से चल करते हैं, दिखते हैं, right? But you've lived 30 something
Yeah.
years and you've never done
you've
a
seen-
standing somersault in your life.
And you've seen your bones, what's it called? Your
वो
bones
set हो गया
firm
ना
up.
एक. हाँ.
हाँ.
Correct.
Hey.
Because a 3-year-old's
Yeah.
bone is still like, flexible little bit like this.
Yeah.
It'll go.
Bro, आधा तो सब soft tissue ही है अभी तक.
So I'm sorry, but you're right. Once it sets, how do you like
Can't.
Your-
You shouldn't.
the center of gravity
Yeah.
only does not. It won't let you only flip over. 100%. No chance. No chance. You should not do it. You
Guys,
should just
I'm sorry.
bounce.
Stop the presses because I just found an amusement park in Lonavala in Maharashtra.
Oh,
Guess
Sunil's
what
Wax
it's
Museum.
called?
yeah.
It's,
Sunil's
Sunil's-
Wax.
it's
It's called
called
Sunil's Wax Museum.
no, it's called Wet and Joy.
Oh, I know
No,
this.
wait.
I know this.
No, wait.
I've seen the
Yeah.
slogans of Wet and Joy.
I've seen Wet and
Were you responsible
And
for
they
the power?
claim to be India's largest amusement park. They're called Wet and Joy. We are splashing into fun at Wet and
Wait,
Joy, Lonavala.
Is it just a toll booth in front of the Bushi Dam?
no. No.
I know
Other
that the
than-
logo has 2 droplets.
So I have
Hmm.
seen Wet and Joy. Like the reason I know Wet and Joy is because they advertise very heavily on the sides of BST buses. So every time I'm stuck in
Yes, sir, I've
traffic,
seen them.
every single time I'm stuck in traffic, there is one
I found
BST
out
bus.
right now about this place existing.
But,
No, I've
I
seen
mean,
this.
yeah, Wet and Joy. And the thing is
Wet
that
and
they
Joy.
have, I think they've taken pictures from some other.
Six Flags. Six Flags.
Oh,
का
no.
plate डाल दिया।
Oh
तो
no!
दिख रहा है सर ये डिज्नीलैंड है नहीं this is Wet and Joy. Sir, it's
यहाँ पे
called
मिकी माउस
Disneyland.
लगा हुआ है वहाँ पे
अरे नहीं
पूरा-
but must है, like we should check it out.
वो सुनील वैक्स म्यूजियम से मंगा देंगे हम लोग.
Bro, you know the beauty about Sunil's Wax Museum is that first it was the only one, right? Arey, Sunil's Wax Museum. So on your way to Pune, when you pass the guards, you would
You
see.
mean apart from Madame Tussauds?
Abhi, nahi.
There's a
Now
Madam
they have
Tussauds.
another competitive one.
Oh,
They
really?
both have their hoardings next to each other. Come to the real one. उसके बाद दूसरे वाले का भी hoarding है. No, we are the real one.
Wait, what is his
Then
name?
you want to tell
It's
them,
a
guys,
WhatsApp.
you both have wax statues. None of this is real.
They're using their billboards as a WhatsApp text chain.
Dude,
They have their
the thing about Sunil's Wax Museum was their tagline. Their tagline was, why visit London? Fuck you. Fuck you.
at this point.
लंदन
I
क्यों
agree.
जाते हो? सिर्फ
At this
हमको याद
point.
है भाई वैक्स म्यूजियम मैडम टुसॉट्स देखने है. Why this London? Sir, I can
Imagine
give you
one
197 reasons off the top of my head.
There's a guy going.
You know,
There's a person going from Lonavala to London. He's bought a ticket and he's going. He's reached the expressway and he has seen Sunil
You tell me.
U-turn लेके बोले घर पे घंटी बजाता है वो बेटा वो दरवाजा खोलता है बोलता है तू लंदन नहीं why go to London सुनील ने बोला
Then mother starts hitting him. कुत्ते 20 लाख पैसे तेरे पढ़ाई के लिए.
I had an opportunity to go to Sunil's Wax Museum,
of course you did
and I was driving back from Pune. It was very early morning, and we decided to stop over, like from through Lonavala. But the problem was, I had reached there at 7 o'clock in the morning.
so
And
you
Sunil's
wanted
Wax
to.
Museum doesn't open till 9, and my
no.
wife and my mother said we are not waiting for 2 hours for you to realize your childhood fantasy.
So you all didn't go.
नहीं my mother and my wife were like, we are not waiting, we will go away if you decide to go to Sunil's Wax Museum.
I feel like I've not seen Sunil's Wax Museum, but I feel like if you get the wax model wrong, it's defamation, right? On some level.
It's like
No, the only real one they have-
statue.
There's a statue of Anna Hazare and you honestly can't tell कि अन्ना जी खुद बैठे हैं कि वो wax statue है. एक अन्ना हजारे का था because it opened at peak of 2010, not 2010,
और
2013, 14, ये एंटी करप्शन मूवमेंट के टाइम पे. तो उन्होंने बोला भाई आजकल कौन है न्यूज में? अन्ना जी. अन्ना हजारे. So on their hoarding, when you show hey हमारे पास ये लोग हैं तो उसमें एक अन्ना हजारे का.
By the way,
Dude,
I have seen Anna Hazare on that highway. that वो highway पे एक वो अच्छा वाला जो बन गया है स्टॉप बिटवीन बॉम्बे एंड लोनावला.
McDonald's.
food court.
हाँ, but there's one that is really bad, which is just like just a ऐसे साइड से जाके drive through type and you
Yeah.
which is just a toilet break place. For some reason, on that day, I went for a toilet break. And out of the toilet walked Anna Hazare because he needed to use the toilet as well.
Wow.
So लोग बाद में selfie ले रहे हैं of Anna Hazare in front of the Sulab Sauchalaya, which is not the best place.
Dude, you know how like Madame Tussauds, they send like their team. Like this is one full ritual that happens, right? Like one team comes with their measurement devices and everything, and they go to the celebrity's house and they take all these very precise measurements. You think like celebrities
अंदाजे
No,
से
no.
बना रहा है Sunil.
you think like no,
Sunil अपने mind's eye से देखता है.
Sunil's Wax Museum also sends their team, but they're not getting access.
This makes total sense.
If you look at the wax statues at Sunil's Wax Museum, they look like they've been sculpted out of memory. You know what I mean?
Like I think Sunil standing outside
You
Shah
know-
Rukh Khan's house there. Sir, बस सर का measurement लेना है मेरे को. Please.
No,
Shah Rukh sir, once.
the thing about Amitabh Bachchan statue at Sunil's Wax Museum
Oh, you've seen
looks no, I've seen the photo. So the Amitabh's wax statue of in Sunil's Wax Museum looks very accurate to Amitabh's most famous duplicate. The guy who plays Amitabh's duplicate.
So he's been calling duplicates.
So I have a feeling that he has called duplicates
To just stand
to
there.
do the measurements and stuff like that.
Why
Because he
that?
looks very close to Amitabh's duplicate. And you look at Shah Rukh's in thing, like Shah Rukh's is also very
अरे शाहरुख
close.
का looks like जो अपने गोरे गोरे वीडियो में जो अपन शाहरुख का डुप्लीकेट ले
वही बोल रहा
Dude,
हूँ।
but it's have you seen the current Shah Rukh duplicate? He's look him up
With
on
Farida
Instagram.
Jalal.
He's
With Farida Jalal.
Dude,
What? But Shah
I-
Rukh's duplicate on Instagram I think he's got like hundreds of thousands of followers, by the way. And he's just walking through the airport.
He's a scrawny guy. Scrawny guy जो जवान
But the thing is, he's dressed like Jawan Pathan. And Pathan की तरह कपड़े पहने. And now I've realized it's easier because Pathan's clothes are all loose. So he looks exactly like Shah Rukh while he's at the airport and all.
Oh, by the way, guys, I just Googled this. So I Googled Sunil's Wax Museum and then I went to images. And it's a lot of fun. Please check it out. But there's one picture where it says Sonu Sood at unveiling of statue. And I swear to God, they've done such a good job. You can't tell. Sonu Sood from the wax. Sonu Sood. It's fucking killer.
Yeah.
It's so good. Yeah.
I don't know if that
Because-
says a lot about the talent at Sunil's Wax Museum or says
Or
shows
Sonu
poorly
Sood.
on Sonu Sood.
Because the thing is, Sonu Sood is also standing in one full like
It's Ronaldo before a free kick.
statue. Sonu Sood way, like it's very cool. Please check it out.
But is it Sonu Sood
my
or is it
God.
Sonu Sood's duplicate? Because
Bro, but
And I
we've been talking about all these amusement parks that we went to, right? But like, have you all been to any outside of Maharashtra, apart from Fantasyland and SL World? Anywhere else you have been in any other city in India?
in India, no.
Oh, in
In
India.
no.
Because bro, at one point of time, my cousins would come to Bombay from outside to go SL World जाना है, फिर उसके बाद Water Kingdom जाना है.
Water Kingdom.
तो वैसे
Yes,
Water,
list
that Water
There is-
Kingdom wave pool is a place that I don't think people should enter because it is mooth and cause of 100% case of leptospirosis.
अबे कंफर्म, क्योंकि मैं वो वेव पूल में गया हूँ और मैंने बोला टेस्ट पे,
और
लेकिन
तूने भी किया है? ओह,
वापस बोलूंगा। हम लोग पानी में थे, ठीक है, और ये कुशल मेरे को स्टोरी बोल रहे हैं, उसके साथ मैंने नहीं देखा होते, वो उसने देखा है, वेर वो
श्योर ठाकुर।
और
Sure.
सामने ना वेव है, लेकिन वेव पे है टट्टी।
Oh wow!
Oh no!
Dude, उसने
Hey,
जब ये बोला ना, मेरे को ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे को स्किन डिजीज हो गया। हो गया, मैं था नहीं, मुझे हो चुका है। बिकॉज देन आई स्टार्ट इमेजिनिंग वेव पूल में जिधर तेरे वेव आते जा रहे हैं, उसमें किसी ने करके इट इज फ्लोटिंग, एंड द थिंग इज इट यूज्ड टू बी स्वॉर्म people.
I like that Thakur has explained it in detail already, but he's elaborating the detail.
it was a floater.
जस्ट
It wasn't
इमेजिन
a sinker.
It was a floater.
तो सब अंकल लोग अपने ब्राउन चड्डी में आए, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने तभी भी डिसाइड किया कि मैं वाटर किंगडम जाके भी अपना यूजुअल ब्राउन चड्डी पहनूंगा। क्या प्रॉब्लम है अंकल लोग को स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम पहनने में?
वो
The
dark
loose
brown वाला
elastic
देख,
पहनेंगे।
dark brown वाला, हाँ।
With the loose elastic, so it keeps going the butt crack and dropping lower and lower.
Disgusting. There used to be this one thing they call lazy river. One month, so they had
Oh
this
yeah, yeah.
river around the entire thing. उस पे लेट जाओ। मैं अपने घर में बनाऊंगा एक लेजी रिवर, बहुत साल बाद जब मेरे पास एक बड़ा
But without floater in it, na? You are the only floater.
अम्यूजमेंट पार्क अंकल लोग के लिए खोल रहे नहीं, आगे टट्टी करने चल। तो ये सब है टॉप 10 मोस्ट अम्यूजमेंट टॉप 10
Most amusement parks.
Where will you get most amused? Number 1, Essel World. Number 2, Wonderla in Bangalore. Number 3, Land in Kochi. Then Atlabs Imagica in Pune. Appu Ghar, हाँ दिल्ली में अप्पू घर था। That was
Appu
also-
Ghar, dude, I
Yeah.
loved Appu Ghar as a child.
I don't remember. Then there was Queensland in Chennai, Aquatica in Kolkata, Maniyar Wonderland in Ahmedabad, Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad. That is also supposed to be banging.
Ramoji, yes.
And
It
Also,
was fun.
please listen. In case you guys live in any of these cities or have been to any of these parks, please drop a comment. Let us know
Yeah.
what that experience was like.
yeah,
Would love
and then
to know.
when we come for the tour in your city, we'll go to the amusement park. क्या बोलते
Wait, I've been to Imagica. I went to Imagica to perform stand up once.
Where?
These guys had booked out whatever these guys had booked out Imagica for the weekend, and I was called in to do stand up for this private event. And I go to do stand up and I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है, आज मैं ये stand up करने के लिए दिन में मैं राइड्स पे जा सकता हूँ, नहीं आज पार्क बंद किया हुआ है. So the one day I was there, they were not having the park.
Oh, I thought you were playing to the people who are on the roller coaster. So you
No,
have
no.
jokes. What's the deal with
They miss all the punchlines.
these days? The other day. Thank you guys. That's my time. Imagine.
सब लोग उतर रहे वहां से. रोलर कोस्टर तो अच्छा था, बट सारा
Comedy better
मजा नहीं.
also.
हाँ, comedy. Or they've got me on a stage in front of the roller coaster, so it's just I'm in front,
So,
in the
so
front
they
car,
are catching
looking
him
backwards.
as they zip by.
They're going with him on the joke. So Adar is like, what's the deal with?
आदर जो बोल रहे पब्लिक उल्टा, क्या सुना नहीं दे रहा है? हाँ? आदर भी चिल्ला रहे, can you hear me?
Have you all actually ever gotten stuck on a ride?
Yeah. 1000 बार.
I've gotten
Hazar
stuck on a
बार
ride, but not a dangerous ride.
हमेशा टॉप पे.
No, I've
I-
never got.
The only time I got stuck was not because of the error on the ride people's part, like the people who were operating the ride. It was because of the person who was with me. So this is so this is one of those things where ऐसे करके रस्सी से तुमको, it's one of the, they hang you and then it just, they lock you in position and then it just goes right for like it take you really high and then it just swings. It's just one
I never
ball.
knew that you and your friend were a prisoner of war.
What? No.
What ride is this?
Yeah.
So it's just a ball. It's basically ऐसे करके यहाँ पे तुमको ऐसे बांध के तुम, you are here. It's
Oh,
all
yeah,
sounding like a prisoner. Yeah.
Is this consensual? Like, do you agree to this? Or
You've got your seat belt. You've got your seat
Adar,
belt
you
and यहाँ
paid
से
money
रस्सी
for
है.
this.
And it's a pendulum. Think of it as a pendulum.
Okay.
Okay. So now they've taken you up till here. Now the thing is, तुम यहाँ पे हो, ना यहाँ तक सब ठीक है, and you've not held on to anything because you're feeling safe. Then suddenly ऐसा हो जाता है. So now you're dangling, looking straight at the
Oh
ground.
my god, yeah, that's the worst.
And now they're up. Now you're stuck here at 200 feet or something. And now it's supposed to swing now. But they've given the release button to the person sitting in the center. So
What do
हमारे
you mean release button?
there's a red button that you have to press for it to release.
Okay.
So you choose when to release. अब हम ऊपर चढ़ गए, अभी एक आंटी की फट गई, and I don't blame her because I was also scared, but she refused to press the button. So now she has to deal with staring at the ground straight or swinging and getting done with this. And her husband is having a fight with her to let her press the button. And she's just not. And I witnessed an entire like destruction of a relationship based on one amusement park ride.
But you were stuck.
अबे चूतिया लोग हटो, पैम सीधा बजा दे.
नहीं पहुंच ही नहीं सकते. You are here.
You're
She
stuck.
is-
And
There's
you're
four
stuck in a
people.
belt so badly, no? You can't
Yeah,
move.
and you're there and you can't reach out. The husband is trying to reach out and he can't reach out.
Remember,
That's damn
Varun,
funny
this
though.
was a prisoner of war ride. This was not a so it's not optional.
No, but
That
that's
auntie
damn
was the
funny
jailer.
that there's just people shouting at her. Button the
But
button the
about
button.
it done. And we are all like this. ऐसा लटके हुए हम लोग के हाथ कुछ because by now you can't even reach back and hold on to the things that you should have at the start.
And I'm sure there's panic on the ground also where the staff are like,
because-
वो button क्यों नहीं दबा रही है?
And the ground staff is wondering कि मैं ऊपर जाऊं, जाते जाते अगर उसने बीच में बटन दबा दिया तो मैं भी जा
Oh
रहा हूँ उस
God.
तरफ.
You know, this is so cool. I saw this one news story in एक article था where they spoke about how one of the first iterations of a roller coaster actually happened in coal mines. When तेरे को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे लेके जाने का है, but तेरे को पावर करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, तो to use gravity as a means to pass the rocks down faster. So they would put it in a cart and then do it down. फिर किसी ने देखे बोला बहन चोद ये तो मस्त है यार, इसमें कोयले की
मैं-
पे अगर
मैं
अपन
बैठता
आधार को डाल दे तो कैसा होगा? रोलर कोस्टर.
Koila coaster.
कोयला कोस्ट.
कोयला
Easy.
बाबा, this
You
was
know-
better than the one that you तू ऐसा जो कर
क्या 100 लोग आए और क्या बोला तूने? डुप्लीकेट फरीदा जलाल ना? समझा मेरे को क्यों बोला तूने? For those of you
कोयला coaster.
my Baba said Shahrukh ki duplicate Farida Jalal. He didn't mean Farida Jalal is duplicate. He meant that there's a movie called Duplicate. There's a Shahrukh duplicate and Farida Jalal is the mom. If you laugh, let us know in the comments. If you didn't, say Baba fuck all pun mat maar in the comments.
No, Baba, जल्दी काम शुरू कर so you're less distracted. So you're more
Oh,
distracted.
go
on
back
the
to work,
podcast.
Baba.
I
Yeah.
think
Baba,
I've
go
got
back.
a-
Baba,
I've
go
got
back.
a merch
Cool.
idea. I've got a merch. It's a piece of coal shaped like a coaster, and only people who. it's
Oh
just-
my
it's a-
god.
It's a koila coaster.
Oh my god.
Guys, we are very sorry. This usually happens at 1:45. Diligence sets in, but we still make sure that you get an episode every week. Also,
I
fun.
have no
आप
excuse.
बता
मेरे लिए
सकते हो
8
कौन
बजे.
से डॉन का घर अब बन चुका है अम्यूजमेंट पार्क? कौन से गैंगस्टर?
दाऊद.
नहीं.
क्या चूतिया किधर तू कौन से भेंडी बाजार के
क्या?
अच्छा वैसे तो बोल रहा है पाब्लो एस्कोबार देन.
हाँ,
हाँ.
पाब्लो एस्कोबार का बन चुका है घर अम्यूजमेंट पार्क.
Correct.
तू एक्चुअली उधर अगर ढूंढने का देखो अभी भी कोकेन किधर मिलेगा स्टैश किया हुआ.
नहीं 100. अरे bro, how do you think
I think
the
there's a
entry to
there's a-
the entry to the amusement park is you, and then you automatically go high, and then when you come out, you're like, bro, what an experience in this
You
amusement
must
park.
be
That's
you must be this high to ride.
correct. There you go.
बाप और तो 10 लाइन काट कर रखा है. ये 10 लाइन करोगे तो तुमको जाने को मिलेगा रोलर कोस्टर.
लेकिन तेरे को लाइन काटना अलाउड नहीं है क्योंकि उधर तो लाइन काटेगा तो public चुप रहेगा।
ये अच्छा था. जैसे कोकेन की बात आ गई बराबर तेरे पर निकल रहे साले.
सब लोग वहां पे कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं. अरे यहाँ पे the lines are too. Nobody is complaining that the lines are too long at
Too
Pablo
long.
Escobar's.
हाँ.
You think that it also has a jingle? Escobar.
Pablo Escobar.
Escobar,
नहीं,
Allah
आओ बार बार.
है.
Dude,
Chute,
आओ बार बार.
actually the best would be एस्कोबार के घर रहूंगा मैं, घर नहीं 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 जाऊंगा।
एस्कोबार,
भी कोकेन
एस्कोबार।
And
कितना
it's
बड़ा है
correct
देखो
also.
मेरा कोकेन।
And it's correct also because it will be after that it is school को बोला, मैं टीचर को बोला।
अबे नहीं,
देखो।
चिल्ला चिल्ला के दम मेरा फूला।
फूला
एस्कोबार के घर पे रहूंगा
जाऊंगा मैं,
घर
घर नहीं
घर
नहीं जाऊंगा मैं।
And they should be themed, na? Where there should be like one section which is a jail where you have to dig your way out.
Bro, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
That would be in El Chapo's house because वो 4 जेल से भागा है. And the way he is also, remember one of the videos they showed of him, okay, he's in solitary, not solitary, but he's alone in his cell. तो ऐसे जिधर उसका टॉयलेट है उसके पीछे वो जाता है and then he disappears, right? So after a while the camera people are भैंचो दिख रहा ही नहीं, कहाँ गया ये, कितना भाग रहा है. Then they send the people in only to realize कि जहां पर कमोड है जो बॉबी देओल ने गुप में किया था उसने खोद के नीचे चले गया. नीचे वो जाके बैठा है एक बाइक पे which is attached to, he doesn't have to ride the bike, it is attached to this thing on which, जैसे तेरा जिमी जे वो सब जैसे चलता है ट्रैक पे अटैच्ड है और वो ट्रैक अपने आप मूव होता है. तो उसे बाइक पे चलाने की एक्टिंग करनी है, उसको चलाना नहीं है.
You're saying it was a ride?
It was a ride, bro.
Fuck, way
Right, and then it's gone like 1 kilometer away from the thing. फिर वापस वो खड्डे से निकला, उधर उसका गेट अवे कार है, उसके अंदर बैठे और चापो निकलेश.
I can't believe that reality is stranger than Goop. I can't believe it.
So not only did he make an escape, he made his escape fun. एकदम full मजा करके amusement park करके गया El Chapo.
Guys, I'm sorry, but this already exists. It's called Prison Island.
Oh,
And Prison Island is available in, oh my god, there's 15 countries and 79 locations. That Prison
Our
Island.
jail is an amusement park. Who exactly is getting amused?
by
You
the way,
literally have to go there and experience being a prisoner and try to escape. There are different scenarios that you can do with your friends and role play.
oh wait. Thakur, I had one thing for you, for your for that terrible accent to come out. There was a
Yeah, tell me which one you talking about.
Russian.
there is an amusement park, I think in Lithuania, if I'm not wrong, where they basically they take you to one forest.
Arey, nothing starts. Nothing good is going to come out.
They have a very specific experience for you, where they basically give you the experience of being a prisoner of war in 1984, being held captive
God.
by the KGB
Oh,
during
तू मस्ती कर रहा है कि सच में?
सच में
These are
तो
legit
इनको
experiences.
फॉरेस्ट में लेके जाते हैं and one guy comes out wearing one KGB का ऑफिसर का सूट and he comes and yells at you.
इसमें स्ट्रोफ इस काल की स्टोली.
No, it's wild. I don't know why this is
The KGB guy is yelling in German.
Dude, but that's insane. They just catch somebody, take, but you know, knowing Russians, they would make it a lot more realistic than needed.
Way too much.
Yeah, come here. Son, I've paid for this. Son. Just quietly run. This is fake. Yes, it's fake gun. So can you show me one? Shut up. Okay, what do I do now? Just run to Poland. What?
I think for like people don't know this, but I feel like people think it's an amusement park, but actually the KGB is training its officers using this.
हाँ और उन लोग पब्लिक पैसे भी दे रहे हैं तो
हाँ.
Tropic Thunder चल रहा है इन लोग का.
This is that classic example of what is that movie in which you just have to run towards the forest and avoid getting shot by a Gestapo officer.
नहीं
the
bro,
start
अपोकलिप्टो में ये सीन था where
Yeah.
those guys are running.
Exact.
सामने फॉरेस्ट है और ये जो मेन पब्लिक जो ट्राइब ने कैप्चर किया है वो तेरे को मारेंगे. they'll shoot arrows and all at you and you have to escape and if you manage then सामने फॉरेस्ट के जस्ट पहले भी एक आदमी खड़ा है तो अगर तू एरो से नहीं मारा तो ये आदमी तेरे को एक्स से मारेगा. अगर एक्स लेके बजेश
वो spray मारेगा तेरे
मेन
हाथ के
हीरो
अंदर.
सबको मार के भाग जाता है और फिर उसके पीछे एक पैंथर भी आता है.
Bro, there is a theme park in an amusement park in Minnesota in the US where
Yes.
you don't have to just do bumping cars. They will give you a tank
Tank.
to
Yes.
ride around.
Yeah, yeah. Dude, it's nuts. One of my friends for his bachelor party, this a bunch of boys went to Poland. Okay, and basically, whenever you go to a ex-Soviet country, Eastern
तेरे
Europe,
को
देखो ना,
arms ammunition.
देखो सब मिलेगा अभी तक. So they have gone, and as one of the fun things to do there, AK-47 शूट कर रहे हैं.
Oh,
Oh,
पब्लिक को
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
शूट किया, पब्लिक को नहीं मारे, मतलब ऐसे उधर है जिधर तू जाके shoot.
Random
Shooting range.
shooting range.
Correct. Shooting range में. हाँ.
Bro, then they've driven a tank. Just like this Minnesota wala thing you're talking about, they actually drove a fucking Soviet era tank.
And after that, they dismantled an ICBM
Yes. Yes.
as they drank vodka.
I've
I
got a
did, bro,
very-
in Azerbaijan I went. So मैंने सुना ये सब हो रहा है, मतलब चल शूटिंग रेंज चलते हैं. तो हम लोग उधर गए, तो they actually take you to this whole thing. और वो टाइम के मतलब प्री कोल्ड वॉर वाले तेरे को अभी तक उन लोग गन यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो वो गन का रिकॉइल इतना हार्ड है. एक तो फर्स्टली दैट गन इज हेवी टू लिफ्ट. उसका बुलेट इतना मोटा ब्लैंक है, फिर भी अंदर डाल के तू ठाप मारा है ब्रो. मैं 3 फीट पीछे गया हूं, क्योंकि मैं भूल ही गया भाई साइंस फिजिक्स. अरे गन का रिकॉइल भी तो होता है. और मैंने ऐसे इधर रखा है. डूड, इतना बड़ा निशान था 2 हफ्ते के लिए नहीं. ब्लड क्लॉट. आई वाज लाइक ये लोग ये करके वॉर में जा रहे थे पब्लिक. भाई मैं तो
So, nahin,
गिर जाता.
I have a
Boys
weird
didn't play very
AK-47
well.
story. We were shooting in Rajasthan. And this is when I was 22 years old or something. We were shooting in Rajasthan and we were showing this like horrible, like बच्चों को कैसे लोग gun वन सिखाते हैं and all one of these camps. And now we are near the border and we've set up all this. And हम लोग ऐसा लेके खड़े गन, and these are fake guns. These are not even like वैसा वाला जो blanks fire करती है. These are just metal का टुकड़ा shaped like an AK-47. और हम लोग ऐसे ऐसे करके कर रहे हैं और बोल रहे हैं कि ऐसे ऐसे करो, हम लोग बाद में साउंड इफेक्ट डालेंगे. So all of us are doing this, and then the BSF shows up. Now they're like, why is this random? Do you have luckily we had all the permissions and everything. And then after that, the BSF started consulting how to hold the gun. It's like ऐसा पकड़ोगे तुम्हारा कंधा बाहर आ जाएगा.
बाहर आ जाएगा. हाँ.
तो बोल रहे हैं इधर नीचे हिप पे पकड़ के करते हैं. So that's why you're not supposed to hold them. And the
No,
BSF,
unless and until.
it was the coolest group of people I had met, these soldiers.
Yeah. No, I mean, whatever little NCC training we did and shot and all, the 303 also that we shot, it was nothing. It's a thing which you rest here, you're lying down and taking the shot, right? Even
those
in
are
that
separate,
scenario, when you're taking it here, even at that point, the point is for that recoil, you don't lock your shoulder, you keep it loose. So you take the shot with you. ऐसा सब बहुत लॉजिक है. ऐसा थोड़ी कि ऐसा जाके गन उठाया और डिश 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 शूट किया और कुछ नहीं हो रहा तेरे को. Bro,
this is
दूर
the
तो
same
जाना ही है.
principle as going to bounce. You can't just wake up
Yeah,
one day
wake up.
and say, आज मैं AK-47 चलाऊंगा. कौन है?
आज मैं सोवियत एरा गन चलाते हैं. अबे क्या बोल रहा है? बोलो गन चलाते हैं. क्यों लेकिन?
अबे इससे अच्छा तो समरसॉल्ट कर लेता.
अबे गन चलाते चल.
बस खुद पे लग गया तो.
ऐसे चल सोने का टाइम है. हाँ.
Yes, please.
एपिसोड बंद करे. हाँ डन.
Yes, please बंद करो.
अरे आदर क्यों ना तू एपिसोड को एंड करे वो मजेदार वीडियो के साथ कि सिर्फ ह्यूमंस अम्यूजमेंट पार्क नहीं जाते, एनिमल्स भी जाते हैं.
Guys, this is this beautiful video that I have found. And it's just like not all, just amusement parks are not just for human beings. I don't know why, but this camel deserves all the happiness in the world.
No,
I'm so
bro,
happy.
you can't hear the actual audio. The camel is saying, "मैं मदर चोद हूँ, चो यहाँ."
पे आया.
There was a
No,
similar
maybe
video. There was a similar video from Switzerland where they were like, cow gets taken to a hospital. काव को डाला है एक हार्नेस में, हार्नेस को कनेक्ट किया है हेलीकॉप्टर से
Oh,
और
shit.
काव को
Oh my
उठा दिया.
God.
And then the
cow.
cow just goes flying across the valley.
और काव चिल्ला रही, मुझे सिर्फ खांसी हुई है, कुछ नहीं.
But the thing is, the thing I was thinking of was, अगर मैं उस एरिया में रहता और मेरे को पता नहीं था कि ये होता है,
Just
और एक दिन
watching
मैं
a
ऊपर
cow.
देखा
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, fucker, it's a cow. Cow.
What's up, guys?
Hey, nice one, Baba. Mast bird. Chalo. All right. On that note, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Said So. We were discussing amusement parks, theme parks, whatever you like to call them. If you have any fun amusement park stories, or you have a fun amusement park in your city, or if you own an amusement park, let us know in the comments. डालो अपनी story पूरी. तुम्हें कौन से राइड पसंद है, कौन से राइड नहीं पसंद है, और बस. And once again, thank you so much, guys, for buying tickets. Just another reminder, थोड़े बहुत बचे हुए ले लो, खत्म कर दो, सोल्ड आउट करते हैं, फिर आप लोग को आके मिलते हैं. टिकट लिंक नीचे है. The Google Doc is also going to be put. So for those of you who have not put it, especially people living outside of India, क्योंकि इंडिया के तो अपने को बहुत सारे मिले, so thank you. But इंडिया के बाहर वाले पब्लिक, आप लोग भी प्लीज अपना ईमेल फीमेल डाल दो, एक उसका केस स्टडी बनाते, फिर आपको भी आके मिलते हैं. एंड
इसका केस स्टडी बनाते हैं.
हाँ, दिखाना ना पब्लिक को कि देख भाई अपने हैं इतने पब्लिक आएंगे.
We have to show off to Bill Gates that our Google Docs are doing well.
Why visit London to do this
I
store?
don't understand, तुम लोग सच क्यों नहीं बोलते है कि हम लोग को इन लोग के घर पे रहने का है, तो क्या तुम
ये हम लोग ने एड्रेस भेज दिया, लेकिन वो तो है ना, सब लोग ने भेज दिया भाई. पब्लिक का आ गया मैसेज, यू कैन स्टे विद मी इन एम्स्टर्डम.
Yeah,
By the
yeah,
way,
like
we never ended up talking about children, the way people like take their children at amusement parks.
Yeah, because
बांध के रखते हैं.
हाँ?
It's like harness and like at some point Kautuk's gonna
ये
have to
भाई
do that.
तू कभी घुमा नहीं है बचपन में एज अ किड इन एन अम्यूजमेंट पार्क? सब लोग एक बार तो घूमे हैं भाई.
Yeah. By the
बस
way,
भी को उठाएंगे अब.
Kautuk, I got special gift.
क्या बात है.
बहुत छोटा लग रहा है
This is
तेरे
not
लिए.
for you. This is not for you, Kautuk. Acha, by the way, I bought this, but it was very amusing when I found these. Okay, this is the tag. Okay, first of all, vegan. I don't know why this matters, but they're showing off the fact that
I
this
would
is vegan.
expect no less from your other.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what it says. Okay, not intended for walking children.
What?
How? How is this? That's the first line of the disclaimer. Not intended for walking children. Warning: keep away from fire. Which is the bare minimum as a parent you should do with your child.
और
Must.
only used for wax statue of girl at Sunil's wax.
सुनील
चलो.
सुनील जी
All right, on that note, that's the end of this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, share the video with your friends, family, or just anybody. And yeah, we'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye, tata, take care, salam ishq.
Bye.
Very amusing.
Very amusing episode. Fantasy collection. अरे वो तो fantasy collection तो लगा
Yeah, इस पे George लिखा है, but I think I can get it
That-
changed to Era.
Georgina कर.
I feel.
Why you changing that? Kautuk will change the name of his daughter, bro. इतना तो कर ही सकता है.
Oh, George.
George has a ring to it.
जॉर्ज श्रीवास्तव. जॉर्ज श्रीवास्तव भाई. नाम में दम तो है. कहीं आप
As a
CEO तो
defense-
नहीं? नहीं.
he was a defense minister. Cut it.